Hey everyone, let's talk about something big, something that could change the future of the Fiji Islands and maybe even inspire the whole Pacific. Imagine turning the massive problem of plastic waste into a clean, homegrown fuel that powers homes, powers businesses, and powers your next beachside barbecue. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's real, and it's called the Fiji Clean Fuel Project. Here's the deal. Fiji, like a lot of island nations, is drowning in plastic. It clogs up rivers, litters the world-famous beaches, and hurts the tourism that so many Fijians rely on. At the same time, almost all of Fiji's fuel is imported. That means huge costs, unpredictable prices, and money flowing out of the country. So, what if all that plastic could be flipped into a solution? That's where modular pyrolysis plants come in. Pyrolysis is a fancy word, but the idea is simple. Heat up sorted plastic waste in a special chamber with no oxygen, and you get three things. First, synthetic fuel oil, a clean, usable fuel. Second, a combustible gas, which actually powers the plant itself. Third, a solid char. Char can be used in construction or even to help fertilize crops, point fobs. It's like recycling 2.0. But here's where it gets really exciting. This project doesn't just fight pollution, it creates jobs. Locals can earn real money collecting and sorting plastic. Even small-scale collectors can make a daily income, and that means new opportunities for families all across Fiji. The fuel produced replaces millions of liters of imported diesel every year. That keeps money in Fiji, lowers power bills, and strengthens energy security. Plus, cleaner beaches mean tourists keep coming back, and the whole island stays stunning. And once Fiji nails this, it can become a regional leader, helping neighboring islands tackle their own waste nightmares. This isn't just an environmental win, it's a new industry, it's national pride. It's a shot at prosperity, all by turning something ugly, plastic waste, into something powerful. If Fiji can pull this off, it shows the world that with the right technology and a bold idea, even the biggest challenges can become opportunities. Thanks for tuning in, and keep looking for ways to turn today's problems into tomorrow's solutions. Break time.